just a wee bit dirty. And this is what 8 days on a T-rail looks like to your air filter. This is what a new one looks like. Look at the difference. Wow. Look at that. Quite a difference. So yeah, if you're ATVing across Newfoundland, you want to bring an extra air filter. There is no two ways about it. Hi guys, Frank from Adventures Outdoors. Really hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more videos like that, just click, I don't know, over here somewheres. And we'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do that by clicking here. And as well, I have a website. If you're interested in the website and want to check out some more details, just click one of these spots over here. And as well, in the description, we'll have everything posted, all the details posted in the description. Thanks for watching.